Here we are terminating OS2 single mode with an SC connector using a Corning Unicam Kit. I have a 3mm cable here. So this larger boot is for 3mm. These are for smaller sizes, which we are not using, so we do not need these. We put on our boot. Take our outer layer off. Cut our Kevlar down to size. Now this layer for these 3mm is on there pretty tight, so we're going to take it off in sections. You have to make sure it's long enough to where it can go all the way through our Corning cleaver. So if you can see that there, about that long. Take off this inner coating. Wipe it down with our alcohol. And to cleave it, you hold both of these buttons, push it in smoothly until it stops. Release. Blue, red, black is release. So now you can see it is cut to size. Now we load the connector, take the ends off. Make sure this is closed. Put it in so it's sticking through. This holds the connector in place. Bring down the load. Push until it bends in. Cam, twist, and release. Slide your boot up. Just slide this purple sheath off. Line up your ends. Push it on there. And that is our SC connection.